The rinse descale light flashing indicates the appliance needs to be descaled. Remove the water tank and, using the Delonghi descaler provided in the gift box, carefully open and pour the contents into the water tank. Fill the water tank with fresh cold water and replace. Press and hold the rinse descale button until the 3 lights flash and the descale light comes on steady. Place a large container under the steam nozzle and open the steam dial fully. The appliance carries out an automatic descaling procedure that takes approximately 15 minutes. When the 3 lights and water tank come on, turn off the steam dial. Remove, refill and replace the water tank with fresh water. Replace the container and reopen the steam dial. The appliance carries out a full rinse cycle until the water tank is empty. When the 3 lights and water tank come on, turn off the steam dial. The descale procedure is complete.